How to activate Lazada Pay Later. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to activate Lazada Pay Later in just 3 simple steps. So first, open your Lazada app and go to the Account tab. Scroll down to find Lazada Pay Later under the Lazada Wallet section and tap it. Lazada will check your eligibility. Then you will need to have a verified Lazada account, good transaction history, and be in a supported region. If you're eligible, you will see an option to activate Pay Later. Complete the activation process by filling out your personal details. Lazada may require additional documents for verifications, such as a valid ID or proof of income. Once submitted, your application will be reviewed. Approval usually takes a few hours, but it could take up to 24 hours. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation, and your Lazada Pay Later account will be ready to use. You can now enjoy flexible payment terms for your purchases. Activating Lazada Pay Later is that easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.